GMOs, genetically modified organisms. Few topics in agriculture spark more debate. Are they a solution to world hunger or a threat to our health? Today, we're breaking down the pros and cons so you can make informed decisions. First, what are GMOs? These are organisms whose DNA has been modified using genetic engineering techniques. In agriculture, this typically means inserting genes from one species into crops to give them specific traits, like pest resistance or drought tolerance. Now, let's explore both sides. The pros. First of all, GMOs can significantly boost production. Crops engineered for pest resistance or better nutrient absorption produce more food per acre, crucial for feeding our growing population. Then, Bt crops, engineered with genes from bacteria that are toxic to specific pests, require fewer chemical pesticides. This means less environmental contamination and reduced farmer exposure to harmful chemicals. In addition, GMOs can be designed to withstand drought, extreme temperatures, and poor soil conditions, essential as climate change intensifies. And it can enhance nutrition. Golden rice, engineered with beta-carotene, addresses vitamin A deficiency in developing countries. GMOs can deliver essential nutrients to populations facing malnutrition. Farmers report lower production costs and higher profits due to reduced inputs and increased yields. The cons 1. Environmental concerns. Cross-pollination between GMO and non-GMO crops can spread modified genes into wild populations, potentially disrupting ecosystems. There's also concern about creating superweeds resistant to herbicides. Biodiversity loss. Widespread adoption of a few GMO varieties reduces genetic diversity in agriculture, making crops more vulnerable to diseases and pests that could bypass their engineered defenses. In addition, the long-term health effects are unknown. While numerous studies show GMOs currently on the market are safe, critics argue we lack long-term data spanning generations. Some worry about potential allergic reactions or unintended consequences. Then, a few large corporations own most GMO patents, raising concerns about farmer dependence, seed prices, and corporate control over food supply. Farmers often can't save seeds and must purchase new ones annually. Moreover, there is some ethical and labeling issues. Many consumers want the right to know if their food contains GMOs. Debates continue about mandatory labeling and whether modifying nature crosses ethical boundaries. The GMO debate isn't black and white. There are legitimate benefits, increased yields, reduced pesticide use, and nutritional improvements. But there are also valid concerns: environmental risks, corporate control, and biodiversity loss. It's important to note, safety doesn't automatically mean we should ignore environmental, economic, or ethical concerns. These are separate but equally important discussions. So what's your take on GMO? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more facts on agriculture and food systems.